In the vast universe of knowledge, math often appears as a distant galaxy, complex and intimidating. Fear not, fellow explorers. We are here to make this journey not only manageable, but also enjoyable. We are about to embark on a journey to demystify a simple yet powerful tool, BODMAS. This tool is not just for mathematicians, it's for everyone who deals with numbers in their daily lives. Like a trusty compass guiding us through uncharted territories, BODMAS helps us navigate the world of numbers with confidence. It provides a clear path, ensuring we don't get lost in the complexity of calculations. Imagine BODMAS as a set of rules, a universal language that helps us solve problems in a clear and consistent way. These rules are like the grammar of mathematics, making sure we all understand each other. Whether you're a carpenter calculating lumber, a chef adjusting recipes, or a nurse administering medication, BODMAS is there to ensure precision. Or a nurse administering medication, the principles of BODMAS apply universally. BODMAS empowers you with accuracy and efficiency. It's like having a reliable assistant who always knows the right order to tackle tasks. It's about understanding the order of operations, the sequence in which we solve mathematical expressions. This sequence is crucial for getting the correct results. Just like a well-coordinated team, each letter in BODMAS represents a critical operation. Brackets, orders, powers and roots, division and multiplication from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right, division and multiplication from left to right, ensuring that every step is followed in the correct order. Addition and subtraction from left to right. These operations, when followed correctly, lead to accurate and reliable results. Together they form a powerful equation for success in various workplace scenarios. Whether you're balancing budgets or planning projects, BODMAS is your ally. So whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, understanding BODMAS is like adding a valuable tool to your professional toolkit. It's a skill that enhances your problem-solving abilities. Let's dive in and explore how each component can make your work life smoother and more efficient. With BODMAS, you're equipped to handle any numerical challenge that comes your way. In the grand workshop of mathematics, brackets act as our trusted organizers, separating and prioritizing tasks. They signify that whatever operations lie within their embrace must be tackled first. Think of them as mini-projects within a larger project demanding our immediate attention. Imagine you're a chef preparing a banquet. A recipe calls for 2 + 3 cups of flour multiplied by 2. Without brackets, we might stumble, unsure whether to add the flour first or double it. Brackets come to our rescue. The recipe, written clearly as 2 + 3 × 2, tells us to first add the flour, 2 + 3 = 5, and then double the amount, 5 × 2 = 10 cups. See how brackets bring order to chaos? Whether you're calculating material estimates, adjusting dosages, or simply following instructions, mastering brackets ensures clarity and precision in your work. Our journey through the BODMAS cosmos now leads us to orders, encompassing the mighty powers and roots. These mathematical tools are essential for tackling more advanced problems and are used in various fields, from engineering to finance. Like skilled artisans, they amplify our abilities, allowing us to perform more sophisticated calculations. Whether you're designing a complex structure or analyzing intricate data sets, understanding powers and roots is crucial. Picture yourself as a construction worker determining the area of a square tile. This is a practical example of how powers are used in everyday tasks. You measure one side to be 5 feet. This simple measurement is the first step in a series of calculations. To find the area, you need to square the side length, written as 5 squared. This operation is fundamental in geometry and helps in planning and resource allocation. This means 5 multiplied by itself. 5 × 5 = 25 square feet. Such calculations are vital for ensuring accuracy in construction projects. Roots, on the other hand, help us find the source, the origin of a number. They are used in various scenarios, from solving quadratic equations to determining dimensions. Imagine you need to calculate the side length of a square garden with an area of 100 square feet. This is where roots come into play. The square root of 100, the square root of 100 = 10, reveals the side length to be 10 feet. This knowledge is essential for accurate planning and efficient use of space. From calculating material volumes to understanding growth rates, mastering powers and roots empowers you with advanced computational skills. These skills are not just academic, they have real-world applications that can significantly enhance your professional capabilities. As we venture further into the BODMAS galaxy, we encounter the dynamic duo of division and multiplication. These operations, performed from left to right, are essential for tasks involving sharing and combining resources. Imagine you're a nurse needing to divide 120 milligrams of medication equally among 5 patients. Division helps you determine the precise dosage per patient. 120 divided by 5 equals 24 milligrams each. Now let's say you're a carpenter, needing to calculate the total length of wood required for a project. You need 8 pieces, each measuring 3 feet. Multiplication comes to the rescue. 8 times 3 equals 24 feet of wood. Whether it's distributing supplies, adjusting proportions, or managing inventory, division and multiplication are your trusty sidekicks in the workplace. Section 5. Addition and subtraction, tracking inventory and budgets. Our BODMAS expedition concludes with the fundamental operations of addition and subtraction. Performed from left to right, these operations are the bedrock of countless workplace tasks, from managing inventory to balancing budgets. Imagine you're a store manager tracking inventory. You received a shipment of 250 shirts and sold 80. Subtraction helps you determine the remaining stock. 250 minus 80 equals 170 shirts. Now let's say you're a project manager working with a budget of $10,000. You've already spent $3,500. Addition tells you how much is left. 10,000 minus 3,500 equals $6,500. From calculating profits to reconciling accounts, addition and subtraction are indispensable tools for maintaining order and accuracy in your work. Section 6. BODMAS in action, a construction site scenario. Let's witness the magic of BODMAS in a real-world scenario. BODMAS, which stands for brackets, orders, division and multiplication, addition and subtraction, is a fundamental principle in mathematics. Imagine you're a construction foreman with the task of building a small retaining wall. This wall is crucial for the stability of the structure. The wall needs to be 10 feet long, 2 feet high and 1 foot thick. Precise measurements are essential to ensure the wall's effectiveness. You have bags of concrete mix, each yielding half a cubic yard of concrete. It's important to calculate the exact amount needed to avoid wastage. How many bags will you need? This is where BODMAS comes into play. First, we calculate the volume of the wall. 10 feet by 2 feet by 1 foot equals 20 cubic feet. This is the first step in our calculation. Next, we need to convert cubic feet to cubic yards. This conversion is crucial for determining the number of bags required. 1 cubic yard is 27 cubic feet. Understanding this conversion factor is key. So, 20 cubic feet divided by 27 cubic feet per yard equals approximately 0.74 cubic yards. This gives us the volume in cubic yards. Finally, we divide the total cubic yards needed by the yield per bag. 0.74 cubic yards divided by 0.5 cubic yards per bag equals 1.48 bags. This is the final step in our calculation. Since we can't purchase fractions of bags, we round up to 2 bags. This ensures we have enough material without falling short. BODMAS helped us determine the exact amount of material required, preventing waste and ensuring a smooth construction process. This methodical approach saves time, resources, and effort. Section 7. The power of BODMAS, confidence and efficiency. As we've discovered, BODMAS is more than just an acronym. It's a powerful tool that empowers us to tackle real-world problems with confidence and efficiency. By understanding the order of operations, we eliminate ambiguity, reduce errors, and streamline our calculations. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've calculated dosages accurately, estimated material requirements precisely, or balanced budgets flawlessly. BODMAS provides that assurance, allowing you to focus on the task at hand without second-guessing your math skills. Moreover, BODMAS fosters clear communication and collaboration in the workplace. When everyone understands and follows the same set of rules, instructions become unambiguous, and calculations become consistent, leading to smoother workflows and better outcomes. Section 8. Overcoming math anxiety. You can do it. For some, the thought of math evokes feelings of anxiety and inadequacy, but fear not, fellow learners. Just like any skill, mastering math, and BODMAS in particular, is about taking small steps, practicing regularly, and celebrating victories along the way. Start by breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts. Use visual aids like diagrams and charts to make abstract concepts more concrete. And remember, there are countless resources available to support your learning journey, from online tutorials to helpful colleagues. Embrace the power of yet. Instead of saying, I'm not good at math, try saying, I'm not good at math yet. This simple shift in mindset opens up a world of possibilities, reminding us that learning is a continuous process. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace BODMAS, embrace success. As we conclude our exploration of BODMAS, remember that you are not alone in this journey. Just like the stars that illuminate the night sky, BODMAS is a guiding principle, a universal language that connects us all in our pursuit of knowledge and accuracy. Embrace the power of BODMAS, and watch as it unlocks new levels of confidence and efficiency in your work. Remember, even the most complex calculations become manageable when we break them down step by step, following the order of operations. So go forth and conquer those numbers, knowing that you have the tools and the knowledge to succeed. The universe of mathematics awaits, and with BODMAS as your guide, you are well equipped to explore its infinite possibilities.